Hello dear Geminis, welcome back to my channel and this is your mid-month love reading. So let's see what is happening in your life. To all those singles, married, relationship, situationship, divorced people, this reading is for you. Please don't forget to check your sun, moon and rising sign. If any one of them is Gemini, this reading can apply to you, can resonate with you. Okay, so let's see what is happening. If you're looking for the general reading, career related reading, that has already been uploaded separately. This is going to be in English and Hindi Urdu will be separate. I don't know why there is so much struggle in your life, Gemini. Why do you always have to constantly fight with people? I do see maybe in your personal life also you have to constantly fight with people. Two cards have fell out. Let's see if they come out again. I've looked at the cards. If they really want to come out, they'll come out again. All right. Very stressful personal life. Okay. Let's see what is going on. You have got the 9 of Suns and the 3 of Spades. Right. Also, you have got the 6 of Suns and the Postulant card. Let me clarify the 3 of Spades for you. I somehow see that your focus right now is in your career, right, on your work life. I do see that there's a lot going in your work life, which is taking a lot of your time and attention, and that's why you're not able to really focus on your love life right now. It could be that you're very busy, you have a long working hours, you don't have time for your personal life, and that's why you think that it's best to not get into anything serious right now. I do see, even if you're married, I do see your focus is your work right now somehow. I do see that in your workplace you are somebody who's quite powerful, who is at a higher position, who has like a very authoritative figure, right? And how you have got that figure is because of constant fighting, right? Right, to constantly prove your worth, to constantly show that you are on top, to constantly be a lion. So how is a lion in the jungle a lion? Because he's constantly winning the fight. He's bringing the food to the table, right? So that's why a lot of animals respect him. So I do see that in your personal life also you're facing such similar situations. It is called ego fight, or it is called power struggle, right? So maybe in your personal life you are also looking for somebody who can give you that kind of respect that you get at work. It could be that as well. If you're married, then yes, you do have power struggles at home also, where you are very important, but that importance only lasts till the time you're winning the game. You're bringing food to the table when you are on top at your work. The moment there is a shift in that, people stop respecting you. So I do feel that you have to constantly prove your worth to your family members also. Also, I do see if you're single and you're looking for somebody, you want somebody who can give you that kind of respect as you get in your workplace. Like you want to be on top in your relationship equation also. And I do feel that that is something which is causing trouble, right? Because in a relationship, you are equal. You're not on top. That is your work position. So as long as you keep your work position aside, then only you're going to grow. If the moment you bring that power struggle in your home environment and you try to prove your wife that I'm better than you, or prove your husband that I'm better than you because of your work profile, that is going to create problems for you. So I do see that kind of problems coming into your life because of, you want a celebrity kind status, you want attention. It could be that you're getting that kind of attention because of your higher position. But I do see constant fights with people around you. I do see that, like you always come out on top, you always win the fights because, you could be very intelligent as well. But at the same time, I do see that uh, the constant fights will remain to be there. Also, in your second two card are the Postulant card and the 6 of Suns. So I do see that you come back home to a happy, you want to come back home to a happy home, right? You want to come back to a peaceful environment. Uh, but you are spending a lot of time with yourself as well. You're thinking that, is this all worth it? Do I really have to compete all the time? Do I really have to prove my worth to people at my home as well? Because office is any which ways mess for you, right? Your work life is any which ways a struggle, an everyday struggle. I think you are looking for somebody who can give you peace at home, but that's also coming at a price of you getting your ego massaged, which means you want somebody who can, just keep you on the top all the time. So let me clarify more with Nostradamus what that means for you. Quite complicated that feeling is, to expect that kind of respect. Your family life, domestic life looks good. I do see it could be that, there could be your relatives or outside external force that was influencing your spouse. Maybe they were trying to take their attention away. They were trying to, uh, you know, what do I say? Poison their mind against you. I also see that your relatives or in-laws or your friends could be coming and trying to poison your partner's and your spouse's mind as well against you. I do see that all those things have been sorted by you by fighting and by taking a stand, and now your home life and your spouse also looks happy, your home life also looks happy, but you are not somewhere happy. Do see that in your personal life. I do see that good news will be coming, right? You will be like winning a battle and coming back home. So it could be that there were issues in your relationship or marriage. Now you have yourself sorted it out, right? So it could be because of your friends and your in-laws or whoever who were trying to create trouble in your marriage or your relationship. I do see all that getting sorted out, right? And you winning them over, you winning your spouse over, you winning your in-laws over, and you coming out on top. So it's like winning a battle in your personal life. It could be that you had to convince somebody to get married to a person. So I do see a lot of fights happening to reach a particular decision, and I, I'm sorry, I do see you winning at the end of the day. What about the postulant card? Yeah. So I do see that you're also very quick to make a decision, right? You're very impulsive also. So it could be that you are making rushing a particular situationship into a relationship or relationship into a marriage. It could be that as well. I do see you rushing a relationship. So please give it time. My advice to you will be give it time. If it's a new relationship, then please give it time. Don't rush to marriage. And if it's a new person that you have just met, please don't start thinking about marriage as yet. Try to look more. Uh, Look at more deeper qualities in that person, right? Try to give this relationship a bit of time. Okay, so I would suggest that. And yes, there will be people trying to mess your relationship up, so be wary of that. You will come out on top, that's for sure. If these are your friends or these are your family, they don't stand anywhere in front of you. That is one thing for sure. Okay, so this was your reading for the month of September. Love reading exclusive. General reading is already posted. So if you resonated with this, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening in your life. Okay, do not rush into decisions. That should be your advice for this month. So take care. Bye bye.